Well, that's correct. Reliance Industries would be coming out with the third quarter numbers today. The street is expecting a very strong set of numbers this particular quarter. If you look at the positioning of the stock ahead of the numbers, last 4 days it has been gaining, and after a very long spell of underperformance and sideways movement, the stock has come back on investor and trader radar. In fact, the weight in the Nifty had also fallen very sharply, which is recovering now, of course. If you talk of the results alone, we are expecting very strong sequential improvement in all businesses. That's something to watch out for. Up till now, we've seen one or two businesses, consumer businesses, basically aiding the big number. But today, this time round, we are expecting sequential improvement in all the segments. So let's start talking about refining margin. Refining margin, there is expected to be some gradual improvement because Asian refining margins also improved somewhat. But the big delta actually is going to come from petchem end of the business, where not only the profits will improve, the volume is actually going to improve, and pricing environment is very conducive. Retail is another end of the business which is likely to improve quite a lot this quarter because of obviously the country in opening mode, and sequential there's a sharp recovery. JioMart has also been integrated. In fact, they're saying that JioMart will be integrated in WhatsApp in the next 6 months. So that's something to watch out for. The only part of the business which is relatively subdued, not entirely, would be the Jio end of the business, subscriber addition. There will be minor improvement in ARPU over there as well. But net, if you look all the elements together, you are expecting sharp sequential improvement as far as Reliance numbers are concerned. What will Street watch out for? The management commentary on what is the integration of JioMart, what is the rollout plan of JioMart, also any kind of a value unlocking. People are talking about parts of the business may go IPO, Jio for example this year. Is there anything on that part? Is something just Street would want to know. Tariff hikes for Jio, almost everybody, the entire sector is talking about, is another area which the Street wants to know more about. So any color around that will be very welcome as far as the Street is concerned, and could even spark a rally. But the stock has actually become a little under-owned. At the peak, the weight in the index had gone to 15-16%. It had come down to 10.5. It's back to almost 11 to 12. But there was an exodus of profit taking by some funds, and now that seemed to be reversing. So good time to look at that according to some of these strategists. Not only that, there would be good improvement in their interest costs, savings over there actually, because the debt has gone. So that is something which the Street would want to know more about. But net, interesting set of numbers, healthy set of numbers expected from Reliance today.